The competition in the mid-range smartphone segment is fierce, and Samsung knows it. With the Galaxy M30, the company is not leaving anything to chance and has basically thrown everything at this phone but the kitchen sink. We're talking about a 6.4-inch display, 5-megapixel front-facing camera, and a triple rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel primary lens coupled with a 5-megapixel depth sensor and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. You're getting all of this for 14,990 rupees. But is that still enough to loosen your purse strings? So the best feature of this phone is its gorgeous Super AMOLED display, which is always a nice surprise to see in the sub 15,000 rupees range. Contrast levels are great and colors look super punchy with loads of detail. There's also a U-shaped notch at the very top which houses the front camera. For the most part, the notch isn't really that distracting, but there is an option to hide it if you like. The M30 also offers a sleek design with an attractive build. It comes with a plastic body and gradient colored paint job that makes the phone stand out. The fingerprint scanner blends seamlessly into the back, but the placement of the scanner felt a tad bit awkward. Also, this is a huge phone, and more than often you will be using it with two hands. The triple rear camera is another big feature that Samsung's offering in this mid-range segment, but the actual camera performance depends upon the lighting condition. In well-lit places, the M30 is quick to capture focus and click decent images. In low-light situations, the results are relatively average. Pictures looked washed out, and Samsung should have idly added a night mode here. However, images taken in the live focus mode looked spectacular thanks to its extra depth sensor. The 16-megapixel front camera should be sufficient to keep most selfie fans happy. And if you feel like killing some time, then the dedicated sticker mode will keep you entertained for like 5 minutes. The phone is powered by an Exynos 7904 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage. Performance-wise, the Galaxy M30 is fairly good for normal everyday usage, but if you're into heavy-duty gaming, we did face lag issues when playing games like PUBG or Asphalt on both medium and high graphic settings. The software experience on the Galaxy M30 was quite nice despite it being based on Android Oreo instead of Pie. The user interface felt smooth and responsive for the most part. The 5000 mAh battery backup is awesome as expected, and it will easily last you around 1.5 days with medium to heavy usage. Oh, and it also offers fast charging, which is always a nice bonus. In our opinion, the Samsung Galaxy M30 has some advantages over other devices. The Super AMOLED screen coupled with generous battery life means that this phone is perfect for those who love watching videos. However, if gaming and clicking good photos is more your style, then you might want to check out the Redmi Note 7 Pro.